LCID stock lost 16.96% in this session of the 9th of November 2022. This is also the third straight daily loss for the stock, as well as the worst day since December of 2021. It also slipped through its 2-year low of $10.8 in this session, breaching a recent floor at the $12 level. There's a couple of news down here. The news is that I think the company is going to raise some funds that may have also scared market participants. They're going to sell some shares. It says here Lucid Group launches $600 million at the market offering of common shares. And it says that Lucid Group said yesterday, the 8th of November, it has agreed to sell up to $600 million of its common shares in an at the market offering. The company also said it has reached a separate agreement with its majority stockholder Air Third Investment, an affiliate of Public Investment Fund, under which Air agreed to purchase up to $950 million of Lucid common shares in one or more private placements until at least end of March 2023. Net proceeds from the transactions are expected to be used for general corporate purposes, including capital expenditure and working capital. Yeah, that was the news, amongst other things. And also in its disclosures, it's also saying that what is it saying here? They say the company noted that cancelled orders and fears around long waiting periods negatively impacted quarterly results, with orders totaling $34,000, down 3,000 reservations from the previous quarter. Lucid also announced plans. Okay, that's what we read out there. So yes, things are looking quite bad there. And the folks at Schaeffer's Investment Research, as I'm pointing out, that these set of options have seen the most action of late, or other ones may have seen. You can see the $10 strike on the December 16 series. It had a volume of 12,496, open interest of 8,353. But look at that, there's also another open interest, a much more higher open interest at the $8 strike. So that must have happened after they wrote that piece over there. And you can also see as well let me say a rise in short-term open interest at the $5 $5 strike of the put of the $5 strike of its puts. So yes, you can see what they're looking at there, a move towards $10, even towards $8 and even $5, a downward retracement towards those sort of levels, So given all of that, we have been able to plot a downward projection from $21 and some fraction all the way down to 8.54, and below that we also have $10. We have $10, and currently it closed at 11.21. So downward projection all the way down to 8.54. It could even be lower, but upward projection we have 13.52, 15.15, 16.68. This is the third straight daily loss for the stock. So, well, naturally you'd expect a rebound to happen at some point. Okay, so LCID appears to be consolidating within a longer term downtrend. Shares are presently below the 200-day moving average, which is falling along with the 10-day moving average. However, the average directional index, or ADX, is below 20, indicating that the shares have exhibited sideways movement recently. And it's also lagging the S&P 500 based on its comparative relative analysis. It's also bearish in its momentum. The 14 period slow escalator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. The volume for this session was heavier than usual, trading 52.542 million shares versus an average of 31.021 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. There is a lack of buying interest in the stock. Momentum is also poor. So that's why I mean, you wouldn't blame option traders who are pricing a move, as move towards even $5 and below. Okay, so downward projections, we were looking at $10 down all the way down to 8.54, but upward projection 13.52, 15.15, 16.68. So see what you make of our LCID. Thank you very much for watching this video.